how to find the total number of songs or photos on your Apple Watch 7. First, let's go back to the watch face or the clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side. Then on your clock face, press on the crown button and that will take you to your app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon and you want to go down and tap on general. Then tap on about. In the about page, go down and in here you'll be able to see the total number of songs that has been stored on your Apple Watch as well as the total number of photos. After that, you can tap on the back button at the top to go back to settings, or you can press on your crown button to go back to the app screen or back to your clock face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.